Q9111-2. While experiencing a hangover, a pilot A. will have impaired motor and mental responses. B. is no longer under the influence of alcohol. C. may experience discomfort, but no impairment. The correct answer is A. A hangover is the after effect of consuming alcohol, and it can lead to several symptoms, including headache, fatigue, nausea, dizziness, dehydration, and impaired cognitive function. These symptoms can significantly impair a pilot's motor skills, coordination, decision-making abilities, and overall performance. It's important for pilots to understand that the effects of alcohol can linger even after the immediate intoxication has worn off. Hangovers can last for several hours or even longer, and during this time, a pilot's abilities may still be compromised. Q9111-3. Consumption of alcohol? A. can severely impair a person for more than B hours. B. is of no concern in aviation after B hours regardless of amount consumed. C. in small amounts has no effect on judgment and decision-making. The correct answer is A. Consumption of alcohol can have severe impairing effects on a person's physical and cognitive abilities for an extended period of time. The exact duration of impairment can vary depending on factors such as the amount of alcohol consumed, individual tolerance, and metabolism. It is crucial for pilots to understand that the effects of alcohol can last beyond a specific number of hours and can continue to impact their performance and safety. 9107. When making an approach to a narrower-than-usual runway without VASI assistance, the pilot should be aware that the approach A. altitude may be higher than it appears. B. altitude may be lower than it appears. C. may result in leveling off too high and landing hard. The correct answer is B. When approaching a narrower-than-usual runway, the runway width can create an optical illusion known as the runway width expansion illusion. This illusion makes the pilot perceive the runway as wider than it actually is, which can lead to the sensation of being lower than the correct approach path. As a result, the pilot may fly a higher approach, potentially resulting in leveling off too high and landing hard. 9107-1. You have just touched down hard in the rain on a narrower-than-usual runway at night. You realize you have just experienced A. runway length illusion. B. an atmospheric height illusion. C. ground lighting illusion. The correct answer is B. The runway width illusion occurs when a narrower-than-usual runway gives the impression that the aircraft is higher above the runway than it actually is. This can result in a harder landing than intended. 9107-2. The illusion associated with landing on a narrower-than-usual runway may result in the pilot flying A. lower approach with the risk of striking objects along the approach path or landing short. B. slower approach with the risk of reducing airspeed below VSO or landing hard. C. higher approach with the risk of leveling out high and landing hard or overshooting the runway. The correct answer is A. The illusion of a narrower runway can make the pilot perceive the aircraft to be higher above the runway than it actually is. As a result, the pilot may fly a lower approach in an attempt to correct for this illusion. This can increase the risk of striking objects along the approach path or landing short.